Hey, we have started recording now.
Yes, no.
Hey Bhavesh, we are playing a game. Which game is this? This one is My Talking Tom 2.
Two.
Right. What happens in this game?
Oh!
Oh,
He's level 28. Oh my goodness.
are you seriously on level 28?
Yes, he just grew. He just grew up for some days.
Oh my god. I think so. He looks like dirty. He needs to do shoo shoo poo poo. Come on, let's take him. Ah! Yeah, oh my god. Ew, so dirty.
Yeah.
Oh my god, so dirty.
Ew.
Ew.
Dirty, 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 and a gabba daddy daddy.
No, I think now he needs some food.
No, first let's give him bath because he's dirty.
All right, can you give him bath?
Let's see.
Oh, he ate the soap.
Oh.
Oh He just ate the soap.
Let's watch an ad to get the rainbow one.
Why?
Because I like it.
You like the rainbow one?
Yes.
And for that we need to watch an ad?
Yes.
Oh my god, that's just so silly. I never knew that we have to watch an ad. So how long this ad will go? This is a Honda CRV. We have the Honda CRV car.
Oh yes.
Nice. All right. So
and
now
we
you...
unlocked this one.
Okay, so
Look how
come on, rub
colorful
it.
he is.
Yeah, rub him, rub him, rub him, rub him,
I
rub
am.
him, rub.
I am.
Okay, I think he should be super clean now.
Hey!
Yay! He is super. Oh my God, he's adding.
I showed them.
He was in the roof. His head was in the roof. Oh my God.
Yes.
Now he looks like. Oh.
He break the wood.
Oh no, that's so silly. Ah! Oh my god. No! Oh, it will hurt.
No, see his happiness is coming up.
Okay. He's getting happy. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's like wrestling or something.
Yeah, he's going up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh wait.
Oh,
He's
wait.
all happy now. Let's.
Alright, let's give him some food. Oh,
To make the
my God.
CRV even better than the Subaru Forester,
No,
we were
see?
inspired.
Oh, thank God. I don't want to watch another ad.
Oh, we can get it for free.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Then take lots and lots of carrots. Come on, more. Oh, now we have to pay for that. Yeah.
That's okay. We have 5 points.
Okay.
See?
Now
Oh, let's do this.
Oh, are you going to make a...
Oh, let's see what happens to Tom.
Okay.
Oh, he got another costume.
Okay. Yeah. Now
Let's see
is
what
this a smoothie or a
happens.
juice?
It's smoothie.
Wow, smoothie. Oh, he doesn't like it.
It's sour.
Oh my God, he doesn't like that.
Let's put pizza
Okay.
and jelly.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Man.
It burst. Oh,
Hey,
no.
it's not a mixer. It's a blender.
You broke the mixer.
No, it's a blender.
Alright.
Squeak broke it. It wasn't me. Oh, here it is.
Is that the water? No.
It's sour.
He doesn't like it.
Let's give him some.
I think he's full now.
No, see, he's still eating.
Really?
Yes.
That's it. I think that's it. He doesn't
Now
want more.
let's give it to Squeak.
Okay. Oh! No!
Squeak can eat.
Squeak is eating so much. Alright, I think he needs to sleep now.
Yes.
Oh, Tom is so happy because he's going to sleep now. Wow. Ah, he's
Good night,
dreaming.
Tom.
He's dreaming about the Gold Rush game.
Oh, look. I just draw the picture with new crayons.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
Now
Oh, what
let's-
happened to Tom? He went to sleep now?
Yes. Now let's play something else.
Which one? Which one do you
Angry
want
Birds Dream Blast.
to... Oh my God, it's the Angry Bird Dream Blast. What happens in this one?
You have to blast.
Blast? What?
You have to see happenings and blast and everything else.
Alright, the game is starting up now.
See,
Oh, yeah.
look.
The birds are sleeping. Yeah, they look so pretty. That's
Trucks Flash Race.
competition time. Let's warm up with the level before the big race. Alright, okay. Now we are warming up. Then the race will start. Oh yeah, daily gift. That was gift. A lollipop. You're on level 36. Already?
Yes. Oh, summertime.
Okay. What is that? Summer quest. Collect beach balls and beat levels to progress. Boost your rewards with the pass. Okay.
Okay, so let's play now.
Alright.
The
Yay, the
red.
clouds. So many clouds. Oh, whoa. Oh,
Who did
what do
the
we have to do here? Gypsy?
Oh, look.
You need to get these 23 these? Of
See,
these?
I'll show you how to play this.
Okay, show me. Yeah! What just happened? Oh my god! Oh god! Oh god! In just one go, you broke all of these. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! What's happening? Okay, so you're dodging oh, boom, bam, boom.
Oh, here's some power-ups we can do here.
Alright.
Let's press one of these and
What was that? That was like a, I don't know, tornado or something.
It was a tornado.
Yes.
Oh, pain.
Yeah. Oh, oh, the lock's open now. Oh. What's happening? He's so funny. Red is so funny. I like Red. Wow.
Oh, we completed it.
Yay, level complete.
We got the star.
Wow, that's so funny. That's so nice. We completed the level. Awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, we
Your
are
turn.
on level 2. Is it my turn?
Yes.
Alright. So what should I do here? Level 37. Did I press this one? Chichika. And summer quest. Rewards unlocked.
Reward unlocked.
Alright.
let's do
Claim. Alright. Oh, wow. I got a reward. And play. Yippee yippee doo.
Ooh.
It's a long chain. I have to get 90 of these and 30 of these. Alright. What
Press
shall I do?
the purple one.
Alright. So many.
Press
Nah.
this yellow one.
Yellow. So many. And shall I press this ball one?
First you should drop 3 drops.
Let's see.
See,
Nothing's happening.
See?
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
See that?
Alright. Shall I press this red one now?
Yes.
Alright. That sounds so nice.
Let's go next.
Red is like he's blasting everything. Oh, yeah, I got a red.
Oh
Wow.
no, you got 7 moves
I
left.
got red again.
5 moves
5
left.
moves left.
Oh no.
Oh my god. I think I should be done now. Level complete.
High five.
Good job. We did the level 37. Awesome job. Now it's level 38.
Red is listening to music by sleeping gun. Turtle sleeping on a cloud and she's drinking some juice by sleeping.
Alright, that's so funny. Now
Yes.
it's level 38. It's your turn to play. Come on, go.
Let's see if I can do this.
You have to get 10 of bags.
These are called hatchlings.
You got so many eggs in just one go.
That is the hatchling. It's like
You're not getting any coins. Come on. You still need to get 6 eggs and 7 bricks. Now it's 6 eggs and 6 bricks. Now 3 bricks. Yeah. If you press it, what will happen? Then how eggs will go?
I don't know how eggs will go.
Like it's mystery
This is a
time.
shooting star. What about you try because I can't do it?
Alright, let me see if I can do something.
Oh, just
5 moves left. Just 5 moves left. Rah.
shoot.
Oh no, let me press green once. And jump. Jump. Still eggs are not going.
No, 2 more left.
Yes, I think we are gonna lose.
Oh, we lost.
Out of moves. Oh no. Plus, I don't know what shall we do. Are you sure or you will out of moves? We are out of moves. Let's say play on.
I think we should
can
ask
retry.
for lives.
You are asking for lives?
Yes, I have to ask for lives. Let's go teams. I'm already asking for lives. I'm gonna ask for more lives.
Okay.
Oh, what's this?
What are you trying to do?
Nothing.
Nothing's happening. Come on, play
Let's
me.
play something else now.
Oh, I think that's it for today. Now let's.
No, I want to do more. Now let's do.
Okay, let's end this video. Then we'll start the next video.
Okay.
Come on. That's it, guys, for today. I think that's enough, and we will then do a next video once we come up. So bye bye. See you again.